Hello, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Hope. This is Becoming Hope. And today, hello, you're welcome. So today we are going to be designing this Zara cap. This is what we're going to design today. We are designing this Zara cap. I've designed it in my previous video. Let me see if I can put on my ring light because I'm having a low lighting around this area. My ring light is a bit. Sammy, tell Daddy to give you his charger to bring for me.
Okay, what my own?
You're welcome. I'm trying to design this Zara cap. So I'm trying to put on my ring light because my light in here is very poor. I'm trying to put on my ring light. Let me see if it will adjust, if it will help the lighting situation here. So I'm putting on my ring light. Let me see if it will help. It's not coming up. I think I need to change the location. Okay, my ring light is on. I don't know if there's any improvement. This is what I'm designing. This I want to teach us how I was able to achieve this. This is a Zara cap. Look at it very well. It's a Zara cap. I made the design. Let me wear it so you see the beauty. See the cap here. I made this cap. So what I want to do now is to teach you how I was able to achieve this. I'm not making it. I'll just show you how I was able to design this Zara cap. So the first thing we are going to need is our stone. I used a paper stone. This paper stone, it comes in different designs. So when you go to the market, you buy the exact design you want to be on anything you're putting it on. Now this is the design I use. If you look, it's the same thing as this one. So I'm going to show you how I was able to put it on this cap and how I was able to design this. You're welcome. Please support a small creator. If you're just joining us for the first time, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and like my video so that this video can reach to a larger audience. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut our paper stone to the size we want to use. So one thing I'm going to cut the paper stone. So you cut it, you can cut from here, you can cut from here. So I decide to cut, I want to cut from here. I've cut out one piece. I'm going to cut out the second piece. I've cut out the second piece. I'm going to keep the paper stone, and this is what I'll be using to do my design. So what I'm going to do now, this is my Zara cap. It has already been made. I've made this Zara cap already. If you want a video on how to make this Zara cap, please drop a comment and I will teach you. I'll do a video on how I was able to make this Zara cap. This is called a Zara cap. It's a Zara cap. So what I want to do now is how to make it stone it to look this beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my stone, my paper stone on the Zara cap. I'm going to place my paper stone on it. So this is how I'm going to do it. So this paper stone has a white tape at the back of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the white tape at the back of this paper stone. Okay, I'm going to remove the white tape at the back of this paper stone. So this paper stone will just be looking like this. This is how it's going to look. Let me bring it closer, you see it. To be looking like this. Look at the front and look at the back. It will be looking like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my fabric or wherever I want to paste it on, and I'm going to paste it according to the design I want. I want it to start from here, from the back to the front, because I'm going to be putting it all over this part of the fabric. So I'll be placing it this way. So I'll place it this way. So while you're placing it, you have to be careful. If you make a mistake, you can still remove it and re-put it. It has a glue attached to it, so you can redo it. Make sure you don't have air pockets while you're pasting it. Make sure there is no air pocket. One of my stone is turning upside down. I need to rearrange it. Make sure you avoid air pockets while you are doing this. It's very important. Make sure you remove the air pockets from it. So look at it. Look at, I've placed it on my fabric. Look at it. Look at it. Don't know if you're seeing it. I've placed it on my fabric. So placing it on the fabric like so, it's not the only way to do it. There are other things you need to do. So I've pasted this on my fabric. This one will not be enough, so I'll be bringing the remaining one to paste on my fabric. So like I said, when you're doing this, make sure you remove the air pocket. I'm already having issues with air pocket, so you remove the air pocket so that it can appear flat. If you have air pocket, it will not appear flat. So I still have air pocket. I'm going to remove it and put it again. So I'm removing it and I'm pasting it again to remove air pockets. Okay, just be careful with it. You don't have to rush. It's something you want to come out looking neat, so you don't have to rush. Make sure that you apply it or you put it on the fabric the way you want it to go, or the line you want it to follow. The next I'm going to do, I'm going to put this other one we cut out. I'm going to add it to this too, and I want all of them to follow the same direction. So I've done this. I'm going to turn this so that they can all follow the same direction and put it here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this. I'm going to open it as I've always opened others. Look at this. I'll open it the way I did for the other one. Now, this thing, I'm going to cut off some parts so that it doesn't affect the other one I'm going to paste, because I don't want to paste on top of this nylon. I will explain why I'm doing this later. So I will explain why I'm doing this later. So just be patient. I don't want to make a mistake. That's why I'm taking my time to do it. So you have to be patient while you're doing it, so you don't make a mistake also. So this is it. I want to make sure they follow the same line, so we don't have anyone not following the same line as others. So we have gotten to the end, and I'm going to cut off this remaining part. I'm going to cut off this remaining part as we will not be needing it. So this is what I have. This is what I have. Trying to make sure there's no air pocket in it, so it can appear, it can be properly done. If you allow air to enter it, it will not come out properly. Hello, where are you watching us from? Please leave a like, please leave a comment on the comment section. Tell us where you're watching from. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining in. Tell us where you're watching from. So now when you have done this, you take your time to make sure that the air pocket is not showing properly. It's not the air pocket is not there. Make sure there is no air pocket in whatever you are doing. Just make sure there is no air pocket, because if you have air pocket in it, it will be looking, it will not be looking smooth, it will not be looking flat, it will be looking like something that was not properly done. That is why I'm taking time to talk about this air pocket, because it's very important. Now look at what we have. I've been able to paste it. My lighting is low, but please try and look at it. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I hope you're seeing this. This is what we have. This is what we have. Sorry about the lighting. So the next thing we're going to do is to apply heat on it. That is what will make the stone to stay on the fabric. You have to apply heat. So I'm going to plug my electric iron to apply heat on this. So we're going to apply heat. So I'm plugging my electric iron to the. Can you imagine that? I just had power failure, so I have to end the video here because I cannot continue without power. So whenever the power comes off, I'll continue the video from where I stop. So I'll be writing this one as part 1. Sorry, I just had a power failure. I live in Nigeria, we normally have power failure, so I have to end the video now. Sorry about that. So I'll continue this video later. This is just the part 1, so we'll continue later.